Hello, my name is David, and today we are going to look into Vue Router and how we use it in our generated QuickAdminPanel Vue.js version. Also, I will demonstrate how to add new menu item in the left sidebar with its route and component. By the end of this video, you will have this menu item, the custom component, and the route. So, at first, what we need to do is to generate new Vue.js Laravel admin panel. We call it Vue Router demo. Project is already generated. We download the archive, and here in the pop-up you can see quick instructions how to deploy it. Now let's open our project in editor. Then navigate to environment file and enter our database credentials. In our case, database name will be Vue Router demo and secret for password. And don't forget to save your file. Now let's head back to terminal and run composer install. After that, let's run PHP artisan key generate. Then goes migrations and seeds with PHP artisan migrate, fresh, and seed flag for seeds. For authentication, we use Laravel passport, and for that we do PHP artisan passport install. Now we need to install npm packages by running npm install. And finally, to compile all the JavaScript and Vue files, we run npm run dev. Now project is completely deployed and we can test if it works. So we navigate to Vue Router demo.test. We see login form. We are logging in. And everything is fine. So let's move to Vue Router. This is our main app.js file located at resources admin app.js folder. And here we can see a single definition where we are importing all the routes and module itself. So let's look into it. Here we have routes.js file, which is located at resources admin app routes. The first line is importing the Vue, the second Vue Router component itself, and then telling for Vue to use that component. Here down below we have all the routes and all the components definitions. Then at the very bottom we are exporting this new Vue Router instance, passing it mode history, giving it base as admin. It means all our URLs are prefixed as admin, and passing all the routes and definitions as an option. So back to the definitions. Definitions are pretty much straightforward. It consists of path, the name, same named routes as Laravel named routes, but in Vue, the component which this route belongs to, and meta data you just wanted to pass, for example like page header or some translation or something like that. Now let's create our custom component and custom route, but before that I would like to run npm run watch, so I don't need to recompile files every time I make a change. Now let's create our custom route and custom component. So we need to create a new entry for that. Path will be about us. Name will be about us, but with underscore. Then we add component. It will be imported from pages folder about us.vue file. And we add meta entry. Actually, this could be any data you want to pass to Vue Router, but in this case we are using just as a page title. Then we need to create Vue component itself, and we copy the name, create new file about us.vue. It is standard component, of Vue. It will have divider and a header. Now let's see if it actually works. If we head there and write about us, we see it is loaded. As you can see, this part is meta title defined in the route, and this part is actually a header defined in our component. But now we have a problem. For example, if we are going to navigate somewhere else, we cannot go back here because we don't have any navigation button in the sidebar. And now we are going to add it. We navigate to our dashboard layout file and add a new entry to our component. So for example, title will be about us. Icon is just an alias of material icons. Let's leave it dashboard at this time. And path will be named route with underscore about us. So Vue Router then actually knows which component needs to load. We save it and then reload the page, and we can see about us entry. And if we click there, we can freely navigate between components using Vue Router. What we can do now is actually to make it look a bit better. So we can copy all the HTML card from our dashboard component, which we see when we log in, paste it there, and actually change only the title, another title, and just to have a slightly different text. In this example, we can have it Laura Newsom, and see what changed. Great, so that's it. We did everything we need. We added custom routes, we created a new component, and added a link to sidebar to navigate. If you want to generate such admin panel with Vue.js, try our generator at QuickAdminPanel.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.